Alright, so I just started up the car. And there's no radio stations here. That's normal. I can do this, right? Settings. Then I go to radio. And then I hit preset pages and it's totally blank. It should at least have one or two. I usually put it to 3, but even when I hit 3, it goes to 2. Again, I'll show you. I gotta do 3, stays 2. If I go 4, it goes to 3. So something's totally messed up there. So then if I go back to my audio, now I have my preset pages, but other things are screwed up. So if I do on my steering wheel and I hit the over button, it's got it this time. Okay, so this time it's working. Sometimes I'll do that and it'll just sit there and it won't even go. Then I go 94, 97, 105.1. But if I go to 93.3, which is gonna be the next one, it won't move. Watch this. So 93.3, see, I got to 93.3, which is on my next preset page, but down here, it stayed the same. Now, if I go to my next station, then it finally goes over to 105.9, which is on my second preset page, but I was just on 93.3. So something's totally messed up here, and it's completely annoying. I can do what I just did, but either the next time I shut off my car or a couple times from now, when I restart my car, it will go blank and I'll just have to start all over and do this exactly the same thing again. So that's what's messed up with the car right now, and it's a software issue or something like that.